10 Shocking Reasons. Why the new AI terrifies scientists. Are we on the brink of a revolution or a disaster? The visionary behind the most significant advances in artificial intelligence has left his position at Google, leaving behind grim warnings about the future of AI. From the dark secrets of advanced algorithms to the unexplored echoes of digital consciousness, in this video, I will talk about the 10 most shocking reasons that could transform AI into a potential threat. One of them will leave you speechless. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't done so already. Let's get started. Number 1. Total job displacement. The fear of job displacement by AI is real and is unfolding in various industries. If a machine can do a job more efficiently and at a lower cost, companies have an incentive to automate. It is estimated that between 39 million and 73 million jobs in the US could be automated by 2030. However, not everything is pessimism. Technological advances displace some jobs but create others. As AI reshapes the job market, there is a growing need for skills that AI cannot easily replicate, such as creative thinking, emotional intelligence, and complex problem solving. Number 2. Loss of privacy. AI systems are experts in data analysis and often require large amounts of it to function optimally. However, this need for data is raising concerns about privacy. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into our lives, the line between the collection of useful data and the invasion of privacy becomes increasingly blurred. Can we trust AI to respect our privacy? Only time will tell. In the meantime, it is crucial that adequate safeguards are implemented to protect individual privacy in the age of AI. Number 3. Dependence on technology. Our growing dependence on AI is comparable to that of a child learning to walk with a walker. Useful at first, but potentially limiting in the long term. This dependence is both functional, as we rely on AI for everyday tasks, and cognitive, as there is concern that excessive dependence on AI may diminish our problem-solving abilities and critical thinking skills. The accident of Air France Flight 447 in 2009 is a reminder of the risks of relying too much on technology. This incident underscores the importance of maintaining human skills and judgment alongside technological advances. Number 4. Manipulation and false content. The digital Pandora's box. The threat of AI in the creation and dissemination of false content could trigger a new era of misinformation. Deep fakes, which use AI to create hyper-realistic but fictitious videos, are an example of this danger. This ability of AI to manipulate reality not only threatens individual reputation, but also the fabric of democracy and society. This erodes trust in media and institutions and makes distinguishing between real and fake increasingly difficult. As AI technology becomes more sophisticated and accessible, the challenge of combating false content and preserving the integrity of information becomes more overwhelming. Number 5. Unpredictable outcomes. AI is like a chess prodigy. You can teach it the moves, but its strategy will be unique. This can lead to emergent behaviors, where systems display properties not explicitly programmed. However, unpredictability can be risky. Imagine a stock trading AI adopting a risky strategy or an autonomous vehicle making unexpected decisions. AI can become a black box, where even experts cannot predict or explain its decisions. If you're enjoying the content, remember to like and subscribe. You would help us a lot. Number 6. AI in war. An uncertain future? The use of AI in war raises deep ethical and strategic concerns. Autonomous weapons or killer robots can make life or death decisions without human intervention, which raises fears of an AI arms race. An example is the development of drone swarms that can execute complex missions autonomously. Although the military advantages are clear, the potential for unintended escalation and civilian casualties raises important ethical questions. In addition, the lack of emotional judgment and empathy in AI, while it can reduce human error, also means a lack of moral reasoning in critical situations. Number 7. Superintelligence in AI. The concept of superintelligence in AI is like opening a door to an unknown universe, fascinating and bewildering at the same time. Superintelligence refers to an AI that surpasses human intelligence in all aspects. including creativity, general wisdom, and problem solving. The futurist Ray Kurzweil predicts that AI will reach human levels in 2029 and will surpass us in 2045. This raises a crucial question. What will happen when we are no longer the most intelligent entities on the planet? The fear is not only being surpassed, but the potential loss of control. If an AI becomes superintelligent, it could develop goals misaligned with human values or interests. Elon Musk has warned about AI, comparing its development to the invocation of the demon. Number 8. AI Singularity. The AI singularity is a theoretical point in the future, where artificial intelligence will have advanced to surpass human intelligence, which could lead to rapid and unimaginable changes in our civilization. It's like standing on the edge of a cliff, beyond which the future is not only unknown, but unknowable. The famous futurist and computer scientist Ray Kurzweil has predicted that this singularity could occur in 2045. However, this prediction raises crucial questions. How will we prepare for this change? How will we ensure that superintelligent AI aligns with our values and benefits humanity as a whole? These are the issues we must address as we approach the possibility of the AI singularity. Number 9. Economic inequality. Is AI a privilege or a right? As AI advances, there is growing concern about the ever-widening gap between those who have access to AI and those who do not. This technology could concentrate wealth and power in the hands of a few, exacerbating economic inequality. The question is, will AI become a tool for a few to exert greater control over the many? It is crucial that policies and regulations are implemented to ensure that the benefits of AI are distributed equitably and do not become a privilege of a few. AI has the potential to be a force for good, but only if it is handled with care and consideration for all members of society. Number 10. Ethical dilemmas. Ethical dilemmas in AI are like navigating a minefield in the dark. The challenges are not just technical, but deeply moral. AI systems often reflect the biases and values of their creators, inadvertently perpetuating social inequalities. An example is Amazon's recruitment tool that was biased against women. Also, consider the ethical implications in autonomous vehicles. If an accident is inevitable, should the AI prioritize the safety of passengers or pedestrians? The answers are not simple and depend on cultural issues, legal values, and personal values. Artificial intelligence, AI, is advancing rapidly, opening up a universe of fascinating and bewildering possibilities. However, with this advancement come ethical and social challenges. Superintelligence in AI, which surpasses human intelligence, raises questions about our future and the potential loss of control. In addition, economic inequality could result from unequal access to AI, so it is crucial to implement equitable policies and regulations. Ethical dilemmas in AI, such as biases and prejudices, are challenges that we must address. In summary, we must ensure that AI benefits everyone and is handled with care and consideration. AI has the potential to be a force for good, but only if it is managed properly. How do you think AI will change our lives in the future? Leave us your opinion in the comments. If you liked the content, don't forget to like and share it. Your support is greatly appreciated and helps us continue to share interesting information. Thank you.